Now, in this video, we are going to take up one more problem on development of lateral surfaces of solids. How to solve this problem by using the truncated software. The problem reads as a pentagonal prism of 30 mm sides of base and height 50 mm lies with its base on HP such that one of the rectangular faces is inclined at 40 degrees to VP. It is cut to the shape of a truncated prism with the truncated surface inclined at 30 degrees to the axis so as to pass through a point on it 30 mm above the base. Develop the truncated portion of the prism so as to produce a one-piece development. So to do this, first I need to go for a solid screen. You can see here, this is the solid software wherein you have a sheet which is the default sheet which is of A2 size. Now I need to select the sheet. I want to select A4 size sheet because that is the one which I need to take the printout in the examination. So you just go to the sheet 1 and then right click and select on sheet setup, and in the background sheet you select A4 now. And do you want to show the background? No, I don't want. I will disable this. That means this background sheet, this entire background sheet will be disabled. I will say OK. And now that sheet shrinks to A4. Now you just go to fit option to fit it. Now I need to start typing the question. To do that, so first I will go for a text. Okay, here it is a text box. You click on this. So here we have a solid edge. So you take the font as Times New Roman. So you come down to Times New Roman and select the font size as 4 and enter. Now I need to start typing the question. So here I will take any position of the cursor and then a pentagonal prism. Now first I will start typing the question. A pentagonal prism. Then of 30 mm sides of base, of 30 mm sides of base, and height 50 mm and height 50 mm lies with its base on HP such that one of the rectangular faces is inclined at 40 degrees. By holding the shift key, type 0176 and delete the R key, or you just type degrees, 40 degrees to VP. It is cut to a shape, full stop. Then it is cut to a shape. It is cut to the shape of truncated prism. It is cut to the shape of the truncated prism. Cut to the shape of truncated prism with the truncated surface inclined at 30 degrees to the axis so as to pass through a point on it 30 mm above the base. Develop the truncated portion of the prism. So as to produce one-piece development. So this is the problem which is given to you. Just right click. Now I will just go to fit. Now you go to move option Go to sketch, select on move, disabled copy, you select this and move it wherever you want. Okay. Then go to zoom window, select this and bring it near to the screen. So first I need to start writing the front view and top view. A pentagonal prism of 30 mm sides of base. So first I need to create a pentagon of 30 mm sides of base and height 50 mm, lies with its base on HP, such that one of the rectangular faces is inclined at 40 degrees to VP. So first I will go for a line command. Then you take the line width as 0.05. Then I need to draw a pentagon now. Pentagon in the horizontal position. You just go to click on any arbitrary point and take 30 mm. Angle is 0. Enter. Then 30, 72. Then 30. Then 144. Okay. Then 30, 216. Then 30, 288. Okay. Once you do that, now I need to find the axis now. So to do that, I will go for into the sketch. Here endpoint, intersection and horizontal or vertical enabled. Now I want to find out the center of the pentagon. So to do that, I will go for a midpoint here. So go to line, select endpoint of this to midpoint of this. That means the edge corner opposite to the edge. Then similarly from this endpoint you have the opposite to this edge. Opposite to this corner is this edge. So you take the midpoint of this. So we want to find just only the two center. So you just join between these two. Once you do that, now I will go for select all these 5 lines and you make that as 0.5. Okay. Then you go to group, select this group, select these two and also these two and right click. Now you go to mirror, here. Go to move in this. So I need to go for a mirror. So to do that, here we will go for the mirror command. So extend offset. Oh here, mirror. Select this entire thing. Okay. Mirror with reference to disable copy. Mirror with reference to this. Okay. Now once you do that, shape of one of the rectangular faces is inclined at 40 degrees to VP. Now first what I have done, I have taken this with, now it is parallel to VP. Now one of the rectangular faces has to be inclined. Therefore you go to rotate this with reference to this line. By rotation angle is 40 degrees. So I want to rotate in this direction. So you take that. Okay. Now here I will go for rotate, disable copy, select this, take endpoint of this to endpoint of this. The rotation angle is 40 degrees. So you take it on this side. Now we have the initial position of the pentagon. Once you do that, you just go to line command, draw one horizontal line of any length. Then from there you go to offset. The height is given to be 50 mm. So type 50 and you select this line and right click and switch. Now you go to line command, draw a line from endpoint. So similarly I will draw a line from endpoint of this. Then I will take the endpoint of this. Then I will have the endpoint of this. Okay. Similarly, endpoint of this. Then from here, the endpoint of this. Okay. Now we go for a trim command. So trim all these lines. Okay, this is the axis line. Okay, then go to split this line till here, and then you split this line till here. Then you go to select this. Okay, now we will try to name them first. So go to do that. I will go to zoom window, bring it near to the screen. Since it is a prism, so here I will go for a text. Take the text font as 3. Here I will type a small letter A, B, C, D, E. Then the top surface is at O. Then you have P in bracket. Then you have Q in bracket. Then you have R in bracket. Then you have S in bracket. Then you have T in bracket. Then here you have O1 in bracket. Okay, bottom surface. Now we will go for a move command. Move, you take this A, then B, then C, then D, then E, then O. Similarly, you take P, Q, R, then S, then T. Now. Here it is O1. Okay. Now you fit this. Go to zoom window. Bring it near to the screen. So now he says it is cut to a shape of the truncated prism. What is truncated prism? A section plane which is inclined to VP is called the truncated. The truncated surface inclined at 30 degrees to the axis so as to pass through a point on it 30 mm above the base. So offset, which is the axis line. This one is the axis line. I will take offset, take 30 mm and you take this line and offset it to the top. Then from here, what I need to do? So 30 degrees to the axis, he says. So I will go for a line command. Axis line is this, so you take, it's not the midpoint. So I will take line intersection of this. Then 30 degrees to the axis means I will take 100 less than 100 enter less than 60. So axis will going to become inclined at 30 degrees to the axis. So this line will be having 30 degrees. Okay. Now once you do that, you go to extend to next. You take this line, okay, till here. Okay now. So now we have the axis line and also the section plane. Now you go to split this line till here. Okay. Then you delete this line. It's not there. Then again you come down to this nearer to this screen and then again go to split this line till here. Then you split this line till here. Then you split this line till here. Go to delete. Okay. Now you select this line and as well as this line and make these two lines. Okay. As 2 mm. Take it as 2 mm. Okay. Once you do that, you go to select this line, make this line as big dash and small dash like this. Now you go to select this line, go to this as the axis line. Now once you do that, now I need to give the points now. How to do that? I want to finish this. So to do that, I will go to split this entire line till here. Okay. Then you have this line till here. Okay. Similarly from this side it is here. Okay. So from here you take this line till here and again from here you take this. Okay. Similarly you take this line till here and you take this line till here. Of course this is the axis line. You select, it is there. again you have this, so you select this line till here. Now you select this entire line and bring it near to this. Okay. Now we will apply the these things now. So I will go to select and I will select this line and I will delete this and go to line, take endpoint of this and draw one more horizontal line. So here I need to name them now. So to do that I will go for A dash, so go to text. So here you type A dash, then you have B dash which is visible, then you have C dash which is again visible, then you have D dash, then you have E dash which is in bracket. Okay, then similarly you have O dash in bracket. Okay, in the bottom side you have P dash, then you have Q dash, then you have R dash, then you have S dash, then you have T dash in bracket, then you have O1 dash in bracket. Now come down to zoom window, go to move, disable copy, take A dash, then you have B dash, then you have E dash, then you have O dash, you have C dash, then you have D dash. Similarly, come down to zoom window at the bottom side, go to move, P dash, then you have Q dash, then you have R dash, then you have S dash, then you have T dash, okay, then you have O1 dash here. Okay, so once you do that, so come down to zoom window. Now I need to finish this now. You just go to select this line and you can select this line. Similarly, you select, no, you take this line and you take this line, you take this line. So all should be of 0.5 darkness. Then you select this line, make that line as hidden and make this as 0.35. So this is how you will be able to write the front view and top view of the given figure. Then go to split this line till here, then go to select this and delete this. So go to text, so here put the caps lock on, type X, in this case it is VP and in this case it is horizontal plane at the bottom. So again you go to move, disable copy, you select this, so you go to VP and then to HP. Since by default all the sides are in true length, so we need not have to find the true length here because A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash are parallel to HP. Similarly, P2, P dash, Q dash, R dash, S dash and T dash is also parallel to HP. Therefore, A, B, C, D, E and P, Q, R, S, T all are having true length of 30. Now what I need to do? I need to do the development without considering the section plane. So you go to this S dash and bring it below this. Now you go to line, you select this arbitrary point and then draw a horizontal line of any length. Similarly from here, again horizontal line of any length. Now you go to line, okay, select some arbitrary point and then draw a horizontal line. Now you go to split this line till here, split this line till here. Then you go to trim corner between these two, okay. Then you go to text, here you type small letter Y or capital letter Y and then go to move, disable copy, you select this. Now you go to select by holding the shift key, you select this line and this line, make it is 0.13 because that is the XY line. So now you go to trim, so trim this line. So you go to dimensioning style, select ISO, modify, then come down to general, make it black, okay, then go to text. So here you take font size as 3, then you go to lines and coordinates, take the line width as 0.1. Okay, then apply. Now once you do that, you go to distance between this line and this line. You will going to get 30. Okay, so to do that, you go to dimensioning styles, modify, come down to text. So here you have to go for Times New Roman. Okay, then you say okay, of course font size is 3, apply. Now you go to distance between this line, distance between, then go to distance between these two, you will going to get it as 30. Then again you go to angle between, select this line and this line, you will going to get it as 40. Then go to fit, then come down to this front view. Now you go to distance between this line and this line, you will go to get it as 50. Okay, then you select between this line and this line. Okay, so you go to horizontal or vertical. Okay, you will get 30 mm, so 30 mm from the base. So you go to distance between, select this point and to this line, you will going to get it as 30. Okay, once you do that, now I need to do the development without considering the section plane. So what is that? 30 mm. So you go to offset, take the distance as 30 and you select this line and offset it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then go to trim corner between these two and between these two. Now you need to name them. Now to do that, I will say capital lock on, type capital A, B, C, D, E and capital A. Similarly, I want it to open on P, Q, R, S, T and P. So you have to start with the A and it should end with A. Then only your problem is right. Then you just go to move command. So you move this wherever you want. Then similarly B. Then here it is on C. Then here it is D. Then here it is E. Then E. Similarly, I want P. Then I want Q. Then you have R. Then you have S, T. Then you have P. So this is the drawing which you have considered without considering the section plane. Now I need to write. Now I need to do the name the question section points. So before that I need to give the angle between these two, so which is 30 degrees. Now we are starting with PQ. So since it is starting with PQ, because AB, A dash, B dash, we don't have any this thing. So I will take 1 dash. After that, you have any other edge upon the basis? No. Then you have after AB, then you are going to get PQ. So you will come down to 2 dash. Then after that, you have a dotted line. No. You first you should consider CR and no, we don't have anything. So then you go to D to E now. So this point will going to become 3 dash. Okay. Once you get to 3 dash, again on the back side you will have one more, which is 4 dash in bracket. Then when coming back you have E dash, so you make it as 5 dash in bracket. Then you have here, which is 6 dash in bracket now. So once you do that, so go to zoom window. Now you start naming them. So go to move, disable copy. So you take 1 dash, then you take 2 dash, then you take 3 dash, then you have 4 dash, then you have 5 dash, then you have 6 dash. Where exactly it is here. Okay. Now I want to project this, because if you consider the base, suppose if you consider the sectional point is on P dash Q dash, but PQ is inclined to VP now, so you don't get the true length here. But actually the PQ what you have is the true length here. So I need to find out the true length for P dash Q dash. As P dash Q dash is parallel to HP, so PQ will be in true length. This is the true length. This true length and this line will have the same length. Since this is the apparent length, if I want to transfer it down to the true length, I need to find the true length of P dash 1 dash. So what I need to do now, you just go to line and take a end point. So you come down to this. So you go to line, take end point of this and bring it near to the screen. Now here you go to trim this until here. Now you mark those 2 points, which is those 2. Here it will be font. Take this is 1 and similarly this is 6 now. Okay. Then come down to zoom window. Go to move. Disable copy. You select this and bring it here. Similarly onto the 6 also. So I need to measure the distance now. How to do that? So from A, you go to distance between, select this line to this line. So you come down to by 2 points. So you're going to get it as 19.86. So 19.8 is from P to Q. So go to offset. What is the offset distance? 19.86. So once you do that, you select this line and offset it here. So you got 1. Similarly, I want 2 now. So you just go to line, take end point of this and it is on PQ. Okay. Then go to trim. Okay. Once you do that, now you come down to 3 now. So to do that, you just go to line, take end point of this onto this. Now I need to go for trim. So trim this line till here. So we have 19.86 is 1. Now again you go to distance between, okay, select between this B and this point. So which is 25.13. So here that point is nothing but it is 3. So here 3. You go to text. Type it here 3 and then here it is 4 now. Okay. Then go to move, disable copy, select this and bring it. Similarly on the 4 also. So once you do that, now the second point is here directly. Then the third point is 25.13, that is from B towards C. So go to offset 25.13. Select this B towards C. Okay. Then you have, after that you don't have anything. Then again you have a distance between, take intersection, okay, to end point. So you're going to get it as 14.28, that is from D to E. So go to offset, take the distance as 14.28, okay, D towards E. Then after that you have P towards C, that is one thing. Then after D, CD, it is, you don't have anything. After D you will have 4. Okay. Once you do that, the fifth point, you go to line, take end point of this, which is on ET. Then go to trim this line till here. Okay. Then 6. Where is 6? 6 is between E towards 6. So to do that, I will just come down to zoom window and then go to distance between, select this line, point to this line. Okay. Now we have 20.09. So go to zoom window. So 20.29 is from where? That is from T towards P. That is from T towards P. So go to offset. So 20.29. So you take this E towards P. Okay. Now I need to name them now. So once you transfer all these things, it's not required. You just delete it. This line you delete. This dimension you delete. And this dimension you delete. So here you go to font. You take this as 1. Then you take this as 2. Then after that you have 2 to 3. So this point will going to become 3. This point will going to become 4. Okay. Then you have 5. Then you have 6 now. Okay. Now I will come down to zoom window. So here I am going to split this line till here. Okay. Similarly, you split this line till here. Then you come down to move. You select this and keep it 1. Then you have to go to split. So split this line. No, it's not required. I know it is required because 2 is there. Select this line till here. Okay. Now we have the numbers. So you go to line. Take end point of this to end point of this to end point of this. Then after that you have move. Take 4. In this case it is 5. In this case go to split. It's there. So go to move 5 and then you have 6 now. Now once you do that you go to split. Okay, it's done. Go to select. Now after 4 I want to take from 4 to 5 and 5 to 6 now. Then you go to select. You select, join the numbers. Okay, you take this, then you take this, and then you take this, then you take this. Then C to R is completely visible. D to S is completely visible. Then E to T, it's not there. Yes, I will have to do all those things. So go to this and make it 0.5. Then you go to split this entire line till here. Similarly, entire line from here. So go to select by holding the shift key. You select this and make it 0.5 now. Okay. Once you do that, these things are over. Then you go to split that. ET, you have one more line. So you just go to select this line and make it this as 0.5. Now this is how you will be able to create this entire drawing. Okay. After that I need to write this is the development. So go to caps lock on, type development. Then here you need to show the dimensions. So go to distance between this line and this line, which is 30. Then the overall dimension between this line and this line, you will going to get, sorry. So go to dimension, take it as the end point of this to end point of this. So you're going to get it as 50 mm. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing by using the SolidEdge software. Now, when you observe this drawing, when I was doing, I'm not referring to any of those sections or any of those solutions, and the solutions what I got from there and the solution what I am getting here, both are one and the same. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing by using the SolidEdge software.